Welcome to Vindhya lifestyle. Today I'm going to tell you how to make Kadgi Chakko, that is Jackfruit Sukka. And these are the ingredients: jackfruit, coconut, urad dal, 2 spoons of urad dal, 1 spoon coriander, and roasted chili. Tamarind paste or tamarind soaked in water, salt. First you keep this ready. Take jackfruit. To add the seeds as well. You can cut the seeds. Be very tasty once it is cooked. Now add water. The more you put water, it's good. It has to mash completely. When this unripened jackfruit is getting cooked, you can also start frying the chili. This is Kadgi chili. So I'm frying this all together, but I'm using only 6 to 7 chili for this recipe. Meanwhile, you can roast this coriander. Roast it till it becomes crispy. You can see it is light brown. Keep it on a side. You can roast this urad dal. You can see it's slightly turned into golden brown. Take grated coconut, add chili to it, add 2-3 drops of tamarind, grind it. Once it is grinded properly, you can just see here it is very thin. Then you can add this. This is coriander and urad dal roasted. Then boil for a while. Once it is getting boiled, you can add masala. You can see that it's getting dry because of urad dal added to it. It gets dried faster. And this is dry, jackfruit dry. Once it is dry, you'll have to put tadka. In fact, I forgot to tell you about the tadka. You need to keep the mustard and curry leaves as well. Wait until it pops. Once it is popping, you can add 1 chili and pepper. This is ready to eat. This is called as Kadgi Chakko in Konkani, and in Tulu we call Gujje Sukka. If you have liked it, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also do comment if you have tried this. Thank you. See you all. Bye bye.